In today's video, we are going to be making air bubbles in water. Here I have a model of a cup, and in the cup I have a model of the water. After selecting the water, go to the Particle Properties tab and add a particle system. Go down to the Field Weights tab. Change the gravity to -1. Change Render as Object, then take the eyedropper and select the UV sphere. Change Scale Randomness to 1. Change Scale to 0.590. Change the Brownian to 0.740. Then change the normal to 0. If you want to, you can change the lifetime to 200. Then change Emit from Faces to Emit from Volume. Now when you play the animation, the particles will shoot straight up, but we need to make the particles disappear when they hit the top of the water. To do this, we need to duplicate the cylinder. Then get rid of the particle system. Then go and add a collision modifier. Then select Kill Particles. Now play the animation. Thanks for watching.